So in Copilot, there are certain plugins that can be turned on and off while you're using it. So over here, if I were to go around onto the top right hand side, you can see that plugins is an option. Once you go around onto plugins, you can see that there's different plugins that are there. For example, there's sets. So enhance your sets with power of web, including news, multimedia, and shopping. So if I were to go around and disable these sets, then it'll simply not have access to the web, and then it won't answer my questions with quite accuracy. But if I were to turn on sets, then what happens is that it actually goes around and searches for things on the web. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around, turn off the sets, and ask what is the latest news today right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type that in right here, just like this, then what happens is that it says sets is disabled right here. So there's World Health Organization released new guidelines and so forth. So without actually setting, it is giving me this information right here. Let me just go around onto new topic and enable these sets right here and say what is the latest news for today right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and press enter right here, just like this, then now you can see that this is what you have, and it actually provided the source as well, because sets is turnn on just like this. So it provides the sets like the source when you turn the sets plugin on. Then apart from that, there's different things that you can turn on, like let's say, for example, if you want to sets for flights and so forth, then you can go around, turn on kayak around over here. So if I were to go around and create a new conversation, you can turn on kayak, Instacart for recipes, meal plans, and Klarna for comparing prices of thousands of online shops, and Open Table, and then phone as well. So there's maximum number of sets that you can have. You can also go around and turn on phone, which actually goes around and helps you look out information from your Android phone as well. You can also enable shop and Suno right here, just like this, which is related to songs and so forth. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around, my kayak is turned on, so I can say something like search for cheapest flights from Yangon to Bangkok right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type that in, then it uses out the plugin right here, just like this, and now gives you the information, as you can see right here, from kayak, just like this, as you can see, because kayak plugin is turnn on. So that is how you can go around and utilize plugins, turn it on or off for better results on what type of information you're looking in Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.